You've been dreaming of owning that perfect motorcycle. The open road, the wind in your face, and the thrill of adventure just a throttle twist away. But what if I told you that your dream ride could turn into a nightmare? Yes, some motorcycles out there are just ticking time bombs for your wallet and your peace of mind. Today, we're diving into the 8 used motorcycles you should never buy due to engine problems. Stick around, because number 8 might shock you. It's a bike that's fooled even seasoned riders. Let's roll. Before we jump into the list, let's set the stage. Motorcycles are not just machines. They're an extension of your personality and your freedom. But buying a used bike without knowing its pitfalls? That's a gamble. Repairs can cost you thousands of dollars, not to mention the safety risks. I'm here to make sure you don't fall into that trap. This list isn't just about saving money. It's about making an informed choice so you can ride with confidence. Ready? Let's hit the throttle. 1. Suzuki GSX-R1000 2007 to 2008. The GSX-R is a legendary name in motorcycling, but the 2007 to 2008 models had serious engine issues. Riders reported faulty crankshafts and oil pump failures, which could lead to catastrophic engine damage. Imagine cruising down the highway, and suddenly your engine seizes up. Scary, right? If you're eyeing a used GSX-R1000, check its service history closely. From sport bikes to cruisers, the next one might surprise you. 2. Harley-Davidson Twin Cam, 1999 to 2006. Harley-Davidson's twin cam engines have a loyal fan base, but the early models were plagued by cam chain tensioner issues. If not addressed, they could destroy the engine. Fixing this could cost upwards of $2,000. So if you're drawn to that classic Harley rumble, make sure it's been retrofitted with an upgraded tensioner system. Speaking of classics, let's look at a European icon. 3. Ducati 1098, 2007, 2009. Ducati is the Ferrari of motorcycles, but the 1098 came with high maintenance costs and engine reliability issues. Its dry clutch system often failed prematurely, and engine overheating was common. It's a head-turner, no doubt, but unless you've got deep pockets, it's a risky buy. Up next is a bike known for being bulletproof, or so people think. Wait until you hear about its hidden flaw. 4. Yamaha YZF-R6 2006 to 2010. The R6 is a fan favorite, especially for younger riders. But here's the catch. The 2006 to 2010 models often suffered from second-gear failures. That means sudden power loss while riding. A gearbox rebuild could set you back $1,500 or more. Always test ride and check for unusual noises before committing to this one. From high-revving sport bikes to adventure machines, let's explore the next on our list. 5. BMW F650 GS, 2000 to 2007. BMW's adventure bikes are usually reliable, but the early F650 GS models had issues with water pump failures and overheating. Imagine being miles from civilization and your engine starts cooking itself. Adventure is great, but not when it involves walking your bike back to the nearest town. If you think that's bad, wait until you hear about this next bike's catastrophic flaw. 6. Kawasaki ZX-10R 2004 to 2005. Kawasaki's Ninja ZX-10R was a game-changer in its time, but the early models had weak engine internals, particularly the connecting rods. Push it hard, and you might end up with a blown engine. Repairs can be astronomical, so if you're considering this bike, proceed with caution. We're nearing the end, but the next bike on this list might make you think twice about Japanese reliability. 7. Honda CBR 600RR, 2007 to 2008. Honda's reputation for reliability took a hit with the 2007 to 2008 CBR 600RR. These bikes often suffered from excessive oil consumption and piston ring wear. It's a fantastic machine when running well, but constant oil top-ups can quickly become a hassle. And finally, the bike that's fooled even seasoned riders. 8. Triumph Street 66675, 2007 to 2012. The Triumph Street 66675 is adored for its nimble handling and unique sound, but early models had notorious engine reliability issues. Stator and regulator rectifier failures were common, often leaving riders stranded. Replacement parts aren't cheap, making this a gamble for anyone looking for worry-free riding. So there you have it, 8 motorcycles that can cost you more than you bargained for. The thrill of the ride is unbeatable, but the pain of constant repairs? That's a different story. Remember, knowledge is power. Research, inspect, and never rush into a purchase. The right motorcycle is out there waiting for you. Choose wisely, ride safely, and let the road be your playground. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to H2R for more insights into motorcycles and living a wealthy lifestyle. What bikes do you think should be added to this list? Let me know in the comments below. Until next time, ride safe and ride smart. See you on the road.